Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make this spicy and delicious black bean soup. So for this soup, I used onion, garlic, jalapeno pepper, tomatoes, salt, pepper, chili powder, cumin powder, dried oregano, pre-cooked black beans, and I also used vegetable stock and a little bit of coconut oil. Start with cutting the tomatoes and the onions and dice the jalapeno pepper. Heat some oil over medium fire, grate the garlic into the oil and add the diced jalapeno pepper. Cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes and then add the onions. Cook it for another minute and add the tomato, oregano, cumin powder, and chili powder. So I use jalapeno and chili powder in this soup. If that is a bit too much for you, you can either leave one of the two out. Add the beans and vegetable stock. Mix it and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes over low to medium fire. Garnish it with some fresh cilantro, and there you have it, a quick and simple black bean soup. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys.